Clones help you work with imported pieces. We'll show you how. When you turn on the clones, you won't see anything at first. Here we have imported data. The seams have already been made dependent. The many connection points are typical but not helpful. Smooth the elements to remove the many connection points. Now let's look at the pocket piece. The contour has changed. The clone shows the original path. What to do? Split the line at the curve. Now the clone and contour are congruent. Done.